Are you entering 2026 feeling like your stress battery is permanently at 5%? We've all been told to work harder and do more, but what if the secret to your best year yet isn't doing more, but about calming your nervous system? Today, I'm going to be talking about 3 science-backed natural trends that are changing the way that you should look at health in 2026. Before we dive in, hi. I'm John Watkins. I'm just a regular guy here on YouTube, and I'm a business owner, and I own Ron's Balms and Botanicals. Now, my mission is simple. I want to help you find high-quality, natural ways to improve your health so that you can live a longer, more vibrant life. Number one trend that we're going to talk about is called the Sleepy Girl Mocktail and the Great Alcohol Pivot. We saw a massive shift where record numbers of Americans chose to cut back on alcohol, and heading into 2026, even more people are letting go of the nightcap for good. So naturally, people are realizing that while a glass of wine might help you fall asleep, it actually destroys your quality of sleep. It disrupts your REM cycles and causes fragmented sleep that leaves you groggy. And the Sleepy Girl Mocktail is a natural answer. It's a mix of tart cherry juice, which is a natural source of melatonin, and magnesium powder, which quiets the brain. So essentially, you get the ritual of an evening drink without the 3 a.m. wake-up call. Okay, so I need you guys to let me know. Are you someone who usually has a drink before bed to unwind, or have you already made the switch to mocktails? Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite wind down drink? Number 2, the shift to somatic exercises. So lots of people are giving up those high intensity punishing workouts, and they're shifting towards somatic exercise. Instead of just burning calories, somatic movement is about feeling your body and releasing the stored physical tension. It involves things like slow, conscious movements that help reset your nervous system. So basically, if you feel like you're constantly carrying the world on your shoulders, 5 minutes of somatic stretching can do more for your health than a high-stress cardio session, because it tells your brain that you're safe and basically allows your body to relax. Natural approaches like these work best when you have the right tools to support your body's recovery. And that is exactly why I run a business like Ron's Balms. As a small business owner, I'm obsessed with quality and transparency. So whether you're trying to soothe your muscles after those somatic stretches, or you need a natural way to ground yourself during a busy day and stay calm, things like our gummies or our balms or our roll-on oils are all specifically designed to be the perfect complement to a holistic lifestyle. Now, I want to highlight that we use clean, potent ingredients that are all lab tested, because I believe you shouldn't have to choose between natural and effective. The link to our website is in the description below. Let's get back to the video. I didn't want this video to be an hour long, so I had to leave out 3 more powerful wellness shifts I'm seeing in 2026. But I didn't want you to miss out on them, so I wrote them all down and I conveniently put them in our 2026 Wellness PDF. And this PDF also contains all kinds of clickable deep dive lists and videos and research that I've found so that you can get the most out of these routines. You can grab the whole free copy in the link in the description below. Don't start your January without those extra 3 tips as well. Number 3, the cortisol detox routine. Finally, let's talk about the cortisol detox. This is a specific morning routine designed to keep your stress hormones from spiking the second you open your eyeballs. So there are basically 4 simple steps to this. Number 1 is no phone. Avoid the immediate dopamine hit in the first 30 minutes of waking up. Number 2 is sunlight. You need to get natural light in your eyes and on your body to regulate your circadian rhythm. Number 3 is a high protein breakfast. This stabilizes your blood sugar and prevents a cortisol spike later on in the day. Just a quick side note also, if you happen to be someone who's like me and you have been blessed with something like type 1 diabetes.
And I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes.
For the last 35 years, eating a high protein, low carb, low glycemic index breakfast is always great. You know, I have everything that I need to keep track of all my stuff right here, but anything you can do with your food that overall helps your health and your wellness and doesn't kill your blood sugar is a plus. Now, bear in mind that a routine like this also massively helps support your HPA axis, and that's another area that CBD and CBG help with massively. So, to sum it up and not be too boring, the HPA axis is the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, and it's basically your body's stress thermostat. When it's overactive, your cortisol stays high, pretty much leaving you tired but wired. And maintaining a routine like the one I just mentioned helps regulate that thermostat. CBD also interacts with the HPA axis via the endocannabinoid system to help modulate it. This basically helps keep that stress thermostat at a normal, healthy level. Okay, so just really quick, I need to know from you guys in the comments, which one of these steps do you think would be the hardest for you to start tomorrow? Do you think you could give up a phone for 30 minutes? Or do you think you could give up pancakes and syrup for breakfast? Drop a comment below and let me know which one would be the hardest for you. For me, obviously, it would definitely be the phone part. So I just want to thank you so much for spending these few minutes, listening to me today. And if you got value from any of these tips, please hit that like button. It really helps small channels like mine reach a lot more people. And if you're interested in diving deeper into natural relief, specifically for sleep, I recently made another video on the science of CBN for relieving sleep issues. I cover some of the latest 2024 and 2025 studies that show how CBD can offer significant relief to those who have a hard time sleeping. And you can click right here to watch that video. Hopefully, I see you guys over there.